Our old 13-year-old vacuum was not picking up like it used to. Went to this 50K section, high energy HEPA filter, built-in aromatherapy tablets, and spotless on my floor. My favorite thing, how light it is and how easy it is to use. It does have a 600-watt motor, the 50K section, and it's getting up the dust, any hair, the crumbs. It kind of drives effortlessly. It easy goes under my furniture, under my couches. Has an 8-grade battery. It's impressive. It runs for about 65 minutes. It's great for larger spaces, and it's easy to switch between. This is just the standard stick with a vacuum handle, but it's so easy to switch between the others. And the HEPA filter is rated to 99.99% of particles. This is amount of dust after just 5 minutes of initial use. With Class 8 HEPA filtration, it captures up to microns as small as 1/10 of a millimeter. And it's super easy to dump, put back together, and you're back off to the races. And I also love that I can say goodbye to the frequent charging breaks. This model offers 65-minute runtime. When it's on eco mode, that's about 300 square meters, so it's enough to clean your entire home, and who wants to vacuum for more than an hour anyways? And when you're done, you just hang the unit back up on the wall storage. It can plug in, and it charges as it's waiting. It's ready for you the next time you're ready to go. And a kind of nerdy but different thing I like is it has this dual brush setup, so it's hard brushes and soft bristles for really the hairs, because we have so much hair with so many girls in our house. And the LED screen is so helpful. It shows the battery life, shows if the filter needs changing or how full a dust cap is, and then what the speed is, which is completely changeable. Easy to reach. Right next to the power button, you can control from lower, medium, and higher speed section just by pressing the button. And all of this comes in one clip with the directions. Here is your mounting for the wall, the charger, your battery. Here is the unit, nice and light, easy to hold, so easy to grip. This is where you can put all of your attachments. The sofa brush, the 2-in-1 small, it has all your HEPA filters, so you can change those out for various airflows with backups. The main power brush and the hanging hardware with the cleaning brush as well. And I'm very pleased with the ease of how you can take the pieces apart and switch them out interchangeably. They all have that push red locking mechanism that snaps into place and releases with a touch of a button. It has the bristle end or the flat end to get in those tight crevices. Attachments can go on the telescoping rod or on the main unit. Even though I wasn't familiar with the brand name, it has all of the power of the bigger brand names. So if you're ready to upgrade your cleaning game, this one's got power, it's got performance, it's got convenience. Thanks to seller for sending this over. Super impressed with how well this thing's cleaned and how spotless my floors are.